वेलकम टू डे 28 ऑफ द चैलेंज। आज का यूआई म्यूजिक ऐप यूआई है। बेसिकली एक सिंपल यूआई, क्योंकि कल का यूआई हमसे कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाया, तो मैंने सोचा आज कुछ सिंपल जाते हैं और फिर कल कुछ एडवांस यूआई पे काम करेंगे। एंड लेट्स जस्ट सी द आउटपुट। Yeah, so as you can see, this is the UI. Basically, there are songs listed here. You can click on any song and that song will open up. Now, you can also click on this button to go to the next music and to the previous one. Obviously, these songs do not play currently because the backend is not the purpose here. Now, one more thing I would like to show you here is that once you click on this music bar, that opens up with an animation. Now this was an interesting thing that I implemented here, and I've also implemented other navigation transitions, so I think the app also looks kind of good. So yeah, this is the app for today. I hope you like it. Here's the side-by-side comparison of both the screens. So yeah, this is the UI. See you tomorrow.